The Linux terminal, also known as the command line interface (CLI), is a powerful tool for interacting with the Linux operating system. It allows users to interact with the operating system using text-based commands. This can be more efficient and powerful than using a graphical user interface (GUI) for many tasks. The terminal operates within a shell, which is a command interpreter that provides a user interface for the operating system. Common shells include Bash, born-again shell, the default shell on many Linux distributions; Z shell, an extended version of Bash with more features; Fish, friendly interactive shell, known for its user-friendly and interactive features. The Linux terminal offers a vast array of commands, but here are some fundamental ones to get you started. By mastering these basic commands, you'll have a solid foundation for exploring the extensive capabilities of the Linux terminal. ls command lists the contents of the directory you are currently in. cd changes the current directory. If you don't mention the destination directory, it will take you to the root directory. pwd. This will display the working directory or the directory you are currently in. cp. This is actually a copy command which will help you copy files or directories. mv command moves or renames files or directories. rm. It will delete or remove files or directories. Touch creates an empty file or updates the timestamp of an existing file. mkdir creates a new directory. Cat command displays the contents of a text file. For example, if you type cat myfile.txt, it will show the content of myfile.txt. Less or more command is used for viewing large text files that wouldn't fit on the screen at once. Less allows you to navigate page by page, while more displays the entire content and requires scrolling. chmod changes file and directory permissions. This command requires an understanding of permission levels, which can be a more advanced topic. uname will display information about the system kernel. whoami will show the currently logged-in user. Now, let's take a look at how these commands are executed and what they look like in a Linux terminal. These are just a few basic commands. The Linux terminal offers a rich set of tools, and there's always more to learn. Here are some tips for practicing these commands. Open a terminal window. This is usually found in your Applications menu or by using a keyboard shortcut, often Ctrl+Alt+T. Start with simple commands. Experiment with the file and directory navigation commands to get comfortable with the terminal environment. Use the man command. Whenever you're unsure about a command's functionality, use man command name to access the manual page for detailed information and usage examples. Practice regularly. The more you use the terminal, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become. There are many online resources with exercises and practice challenges. By mastering these basic commands, you'll have a solid foundation for exploring the extensive capabilities of the Linux terminal.